Good morning, students. I am Nivedita Singhdeo of Marwadi College English Department. Today, I am going to take your online classes for English course that is of 100 marks. As in previous video, we have started the book snapshot and lesson number 2. Today, we will continue lesson number 2 and finish it. As in previous video, we have seen how the chapter address has been introduced and where the narrator had went to a address for searching her mother's old belongings, but the lady who opened the door could not recognize her, but she insisted that she is Mrs. S daughter. She gave her introduction again and again, but the woman had refused to recognize her. After she had gone to her and given her introduction, she again went lost in her memories where she was introduced to Mrs. Darling by her mother. Class 11 English Core ENA, the textbook snapshot, lesson number 2, the address by Marga Minko. Mrs. Darling came frequently. Every time she visited, she took something with her. One day she took the silverware, then she took away an antique plate hung on the wall. Mrs. S told her daughter that Mrs. Darling wanted to save all her articles. It was wartime. If they had to leave the place, they could lose everything. The daughter wanted to know if there was a written agreement that Mrs. Darling would return all the articles safely. Mrs. S replied that it was not necessary. Mrs. S was thankful to Mrs. Darling for what she was doing for her. All that happened years ago. श्रीमती डॉलिंग प्रायः आया करती थी. हर बार जब वो आती, वो अपने साथ कोई चीज़ ले जाती. एक दिन वो सारे चांदी के बर्तन ले गई. फिर वो दीवारों पर टंगी पुरानी प्लेटें उठा ले गई. मिसेस एस ने अपनी पुत्री को बताया कि मिसेस डॉलिंग उनकी सारी चीज़ों को बचाना चाहती थी. युद्ध का समय था. यदि उन्हें स्थान छोड़ना पड़े तो उन्हें सारी चीज़ें गंवानी पड़ेगी. पुत्री ने जानना चाहा कि क्या कोई लिखित समझौता हुआ था कि मिसेस डॉर्लिंग सभी चीज़ों को सुरक्षित लौटा देंगी. मिसेस एस ने उत्तर दिया कि ऐसा करना ज़रूरी नहीं था. मिसेस एस जो मिसेस डॉर्लिंग उसके लिए कर रही थी उसके लिए आभारी थी. यह सब वर्षों पहले हुआ था. The narrator's first visit was not rewarding. She paid a second visit to see Mrs. Darling. This time she found her 15-year-old daughter in the house. Mrs. Darling was not there. She decided to wait for Mrs. Darling. कथाकार की पहली मुलाकात फलदायक नहीं रही. वो मिसेस डॉलिंग से मिलने दूसरी बार गई. इस बार घर में उसे उनकी 15 साल की पुत्री मिली. मिसेस डॉलिंग घर पर नहीं थी. उसने मिसेस डॉलिंग की प्रतीक्षा करने का निर्णय लिया. The narrator found herself in the midst of things that once belonged to her mother. She wanted to see them again. All those things were taken away by Mrs. Darling and kept here in the house. She was pained to note that they were arranged tastelessly. The ugly furniture and the muggy smell upset her. The girl bought tea for her. Then she opened a box and took some spoons out of it. The narrator also looked at the antique plates she that all the silver cutlery, knives, forks, and spoons were all of silver. Her mother had told about them when she was alive. कथाकार ने अपने को उन चीज़ों के बीच पाया जो कभी उसकी माँ की हुआ करती थी। वह उन्हें दोबारा देखना चाहती थी। वे सभी चीज़ें मिसेस डॉलिंग द्वारा लाई गई थीं और फिर उन्हें यहाँ अपने घर में रख दिया गया था। उसे वो देखकर दुख हुआ कि वे रुचिहीन ढंग से रखी गई थी। भद्दा फर्नीचर और सीली बदबू ने उसे परेशान कर दिया। लड़की उसके लिए चाय ले आई। फिर उसने एक बक्सा खोला और कुछ चीज़ें बाहर निकाली। कथाकार ने पुरानी प्लेटों को भी देखा। उसे पता था कि ये सारी कटलरी, छुरे, कांटे और चम्मचें चांदी की थीं। उसकी माँ ने उसे उनके बारे में जब वो जिंदा थी तब बताया था। The narrator jumped up. She must catch her train. She could not wait for Mrs. Dolling. She came out and read the number. It was 46 Marconi Street. The address was totally correct, but she wanted to forget the address. She resolved not to go there. Those nice things were the belongings of her mother. They reminded her of her former times, but they had lost their value. Their true owner no longer existed. They were in strange surroundings. She had to forget them and the address where they were still lying. कथाकार उछल कर खड़ी हो गई। उसे अपनी गाड़ी पकड़नी थी। वो मिसेस डॉलिंग की प्रतीक्षा नहीं कर सकती थी। वो बाहर आई और उसने नंबर को पढ़ा। वो 46 मार्कोनी स्ट्रीट था। पता पूर्णतः ठीक था, लेकिन वो इस पते को भूल जाना चाहती थी। उसने वहाँ न जाने का फैसला किया। वे बढ़िया चीज़ें उसकी माँ की चीज़ें थीं। वे उसे उसके पिछले वक्त की याद दिलाती थीं, लेकिन वे अपनी कीमत खो बैठी थीं। उनकी सच्ची मालकिन अब जिंदा नहीं थी। वे एक विचित्र वातावरण में विद्यमान थीं। उसे उन्हें और उस पते को भूल जाना था जहाँ वे अभी भी पड़ी हुई थीं। This is the end of the chapter. We have finished lesson number 2. We will start another chapter in our next video.